Get him, Sarah. Get him. Get him, Sarah. Get him. Yeah. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day and I'm feeling energized. Can you tell why? Because I got my workout in. I just finished a killer workout. Hopefully it's the last workout of the week. It's Friday, so let's see if I work out tomorrow. I'll go on an outdoor adventure, which is more likely, but let's see what our decision will be tonight into tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and keep up with the fam bam, and turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss our vlog. Mondays to Fridays we have video, Mondays to Fridays. And please, you guys, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to subscribe and continue to help our channel grow. And please watch all those ads that you see in the video. If you really want to help your girl, watch those ads. Anyway, you guys, on our agenda for today, Tyler have schoolwork to do, and the multitasking mama will be on her multitasking ways as per usual. Right now I am here making just squeeze some fresh orange juice for Sarah, and I'm going to make some green juice for Tyler and I, while Tyler is at the table enjoying some carrot cake, his favorite, that he asked me to make a few days ago. So that's what he's up to. But of course he's in love with helping mama to make green juice these days, so he's gonna jump in and help mama to make green juice. And if it's your first time to our channel, my green juice always remain the same, and I can see that an ingredient is missing, so let me go and grab that right now. So in my green juice every morning, these are the things that we have: apple, ginger, cucumber, celery, and you're good to go. All right, Ty. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are continuing to stay safe and stay loved and stay blessed and stay motivated and stay encouraged and stay away from negative people. You know, somebody asked me the other day, Mel, why do I never see you with friends where you live? And my answer to that person is, I like to protect my zone. I like to protect my zone. And another thing about me that you may or may not know is that I love my alone time. When I said my alone time, I like to spend time with my little family, but not really too much people around me. So the less people I can have into my space, the better it is for me. So keep your space the way you want your space to protect yourself. And I don't like drama, so the less people around me, the less drama there will be. You're ready? Yes. Say good morning to the faves, King Tyler. Good morning, faves. All right, let's go make green juice. Okay, Mama. Let go. I have to double up on ingredients because Tyler loves green juice and he and Sarah have been drinking off mine, so I have to double up ingredients these days. All right.
Pink and
juice
pink.
time. Jane.
You're happy that the both of us have pink?
Yes. Anyway, you guys, let me go show you my girl. And I'm gonna have my green juice and come back and make breakfast. What are you guys having for breakfast today? Let me know. And let me know if you guys has ever tried green juice. Do you like it? Do you did you not? Baby's also off to work. She ain't gonna say no. You ain't gonna refuse it. Say morning to the fam. Say morning. Woo! Sarah! Get up and stop looking at the TV. Bob, the train is on. Ah? Alright, easel, easel, easel. Lord have mercy. Alright, ease, mama, ease.
0952. Glucose not coming.
It's yummy. It's yummy. Yes. It's yummy, yummy. It's yummy. It's yummy. Breakfast today is gonna be fried plantain and a spinach omelette. Plantain is ready. What do you say?
Thank you.
And we have ourselves some yummy breakfast.
Up. Wait. Yes. Wait. Wow. No.
She gets excited. She just want to play.
You go bang bang. You go bang bang. You go bang bang. You go bang bang.
What is she doing? Get him, Sarah. Get him. Get him, Sarah. Get him. Go get him. Get him, Mama. Get him. Go get him. Go get brother Sarah. Go get him. Go get him, Sarah. They're full of energy. Sarah has twice the amount of energy than Tyler. She has so much energy.
Let's take a break from the TV.
Good job. Good boy. Good idea.
Don't touch me, Sarah. You're Sarah Sarah to come.
She coming.
Sarah, don't touch me.
Sarah, watch your face. Oh my God. try and catch you again.
Not that.
She has so much energy. She wants the book that Tyler have. Sarah, brother, play too much. The brother. Get him, Sarah. Get him. Get him, princess. Get him. You tired, Sarah? You're gonna get a good nap when you finish. You must sleep long today. Oh my God, these two. You both are something else. Friday, and I'm not cooking, so I make some food for my boy. Well, no, I did not cook. I just cooked in the fryer. Here, Sarah. My boy say he want fries and chicken nuggets, so he's having just that. Mayonnaise and ketchup. And I have some small pizzas in the oven going. What are your Friday dinner? I don't know what you're making for dinner, girl. Guys, babe just got home and we're doing this. Take your eye out of the TV. You can't do supermarket on TV. We have to do this quick, okay? Alright, first thing first.
Duck.
We have duck is the blue for the toilet. Alright, what's this? Quinoa. What's this? No, cardamom blue.
Oh. Again.
Babe got knocked out. She can't tell you have to talk loud so they can hear you.
Everything what is under this, nothing else.
We'll see.
No surprise.
Cardamom
Take a
blue?
Oh,
No,
one surprise,
cardamom
Tyler
blue.
asked for it.
Happy biscuit.
Happy biscuit. Mince.
Cookie. Cookie.
This wasn't on the list.
Tyler asked for it. C'est toi qui voulais les cookies, pas vrai?
Oui. Et un jour, quand tu revas au supermarché, tu peux acheter le petit biscuit avec le chocolat ou de fruits en faux avec la vanille au milieu.
He was here asking Papa that Papa didn't buy this and he didn't see it. I was here like, stop talking, boy. You're too funny. Alright. Stand up so kids can see. What's this?
Bread.
For what?
Toast.
No.
Pancake.
Where you say you want to go?
Picnic tomorrow.
He say you want to go picnic tomorrow. Let's see that will happen.
Because the Papa not working, I want to do it Saturday because it's
What's
holiday.
this? Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Compote.
Compote. Because there's
Pure
no
fruit. Juice. Come Tella, let's go fast. More juice. More yogurt. Oh, what's this?
Tune.
Tuna.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it's called in French. What's this?
Ham.
Ham. Baby, why you have 2 pack of apple?
Apple. To make sugar.
Why you have 2 pack of apple?
Because you said big packs, or because it's a pack of
Me say big pack
2 pack of what?
apple. I say 1 pack of 4 apple.
Oh, but I take 4 pack. Oh, it's because you say 1 P and it's read like 1 A.
What's this? This what kind of cucumber this?
That was the only one.
Zucchini.
Yeah, it's the in the movie at the end when they.
What kind of cucumber is
It's
this?
zucchini.
This
Not
cucumber is scary.
It's the way you write it.
Me know me right. So
You write 1 P that look like an 8. So 18 apple. You got your 18 apple.
The one by
Well.
girlfriend.
Ice cream.
What's this?
Ice cream.
What's this?
Yuck. Sweet pepper. Yuck. Ball.
Lettuce. What's this?
Almond.
No, this cashew.
No.
This time.
Yogurt for Sarah.
Oh, bravo.
Yogurt again.
You like two pack?
Tyler.
No.
What's that, Tyler?
Tyler.
Ice cream. Like that I can
You
have some
have,
ice
you
cream.
have no more in the fridge? Freezer?
No, only orange and sometimes I want different color.
Season. So now you know when you go, you buy herb de Provence.
Maybe.
Corned beef. The thing I cooked yesterday that you like. This is it.
Nesquik.
To make chocolate Nutella.
And my favorite,
It's
chocolate
favorite.
bread. Orange.
Forza.
What for several for me too? Coca! Yeah, ha, 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 ha.
And
Now
that's the
never.
end of the supermarket haul. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize all these things. My girl is already in bed as it's the night, but it's the weekend, so Tyler get to stay up a little bit longer. Anyway, you guys will see babe in a bit.
Hi guys, it's the end of the day. It's been a long week. I mean, first week since going back to work, and I forgot how to wake up that early. I forget. Oh, I think just like 2 months and a half without going to work completely changed all of the used to. So yeah. I hope you guys had a wonderful week. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Now it's time to go get some rest because the weekend gonna be full. I'm gonna do a lot of things, gonna do some interesting things this weekend. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you're all healthy and positive and happy. Catch up and keep up. Don't forget to subscribe to comment and to turn the notification bell if you didn't. Thank you. Catch you guys tomorrow.